Good morning to all. Today I am going to continue the chapter Trigonometrical Ratio of Complementary Angle, exercise 21A from the book Innovative Math Books of exercise 21A. Chapter name is Trigonometrical Ratio of Complementary Angle. Okay, exercise 21A. Last class up to I have done 4. Today I am going to continue the number 5. Just see the question number 5. Prove that sin theta into cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta into sin 90 minus theta equal to 1. You have to write left hand side. Let me copy the question first. Question number 5, first part. Question given sin theta into cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta into sin 90 minus theta is equal to how much? 1 you have to prove. Okay. First you have to copy the left hand side. Write the left hand side what is given, that is sin theta given into cos of 90 minus theta plus cos theta into sin 90 minus theta. Now tell me cos 90 minus theta as per the complementary angle formula, that is sin theta. Yes or no? And here cos theta into sin 90 minus theta is how much? That is cos theta. Sin theta into sin theta will how much? Sin square theta. Plus cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta. And sin square theta plus cos square theta is how much? 1 as per the trigonometrical square formula, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, question number 5 first part completed. Okay. Let us go to the second part of this question. Second part question given. Let me write the question. Second part question given cos theta into sin of 90 minus theta plus sin theta into cos of 90 minus theta is equal to 1. This is the question given, you have to prove. First of all, you have to copy left hand side what is given, left hand side, that is cos theta into sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta into cos of 90 minus theta. Now tell me what is the formula for sin 90 minus theta, complementary angle formula, that is cos theta. Here sin theta given. Next cos 90 minus theta, the formula is sin theta. Cos theta into cos theta is how much? Cos square theta. Plus sin theta into sin theta is how much? Sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is how much? Already I have told before, that is 1, which is equal to right hand side. In this way the second part question also completed. Let us see the third part question of this number 5. Third part question given sin 90 minus theta into tan theta is equal to sin theta. You have to prove this one. First of all, you have to copy the left hand side. What is given left hand side? Before equal to sign, that is written sin 90 minus theta into tan theta. Sin 90 minus theta formula is what? Cos theta as per the trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle. Tan theta, what is tan theta? That is sin theta by cos theta. Yes or no? Okay. Quotient formula tan theta, that is sin by cos. Now cos theta will be cancelled out. What is left? That is sin theta left, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, third part question also completed. Okay. Let us go to the fourth part of the number 5. Just see. Question number fourth part of number 5 of exercise 21A, chapter trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle. Question given like this. 1 plus tan square theta whole into cos theta into cos 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. First you have to copy left hand side what is given here. 1 plus tan square theta into cos theta, then given cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Now tell me 1 plus tan square theta formula is what? That is square formula. 1 plus tan square means sec square theta. Sec square theta into cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, the formula is sin theta. Okay. Now tell me sec square theta means 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square theta into cos theta, and here sin theta given. 1 cos will be cancelled here. 1 cos theta will be cancelled. Left sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. In this way, the fourth part question also completed. Let us go to the fifth part. Fifth part question given. You have to see what is given fifth part question. That is sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta into cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec square theta into cot theta. This is the question given that you have to prove. Question given sec, first of all you have to copy the left hand side. That is given sec 90 minus theta into cosec 90 minus theta. Okay. Now tell me the formula for sec 90 minus theta. You have to memorize trigonometric ratio, complementary angle. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Okay. But you have to prove right hand side sec square theta into cot theta. Okay, one sec theta already you got here. Next you break right hand side. What is the right hand side given? Sec square theta into cot theta. One sec theta you write here like this because we need sec theta. Another sec means you write 1 by cos. And cot means cos theta by sin theta. Yes or no? Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. And sec square means one sec theta written here. Another sec means 1 by cos written. Why I am writing like this? Because the cos theta will be cancelled here. And what is left here? Sec theta left. And here 1 by sin means cosec, reciprocal theorem of trigonometrical ratio, cosec theta. Okay. Now both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side, equal or not, just to check. Cosec theta into sec theta, here coming sec theta into cosec theta. Therefore, if necessary, you can solve both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved or not? In this way, 5 questions would have completed from the chapter computer angle. Last sum, do we just see last sum. See the sixth part question of number 5. Question given: sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. What is given left hand side? That is sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta formula is what? That is cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta formula is sin theta. This is your left hand side. But what is your right hand side? That is tan theta by 1 per tan square. Then you have to simplify right hand side also. Tan theta, and here it is 1 plus tan square theta. Now tell me, tan theta and 1 per tan square formula is what? 1 per tan square theta formula is sec square theta. Okay. And tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. And 1 by sec square means cos square. Right here cos square theta. Because it is sec square downside. 1 by sec square means cos square. One cos will be cancelled here. What is left here? That means sin theta, cos square, here cos. Cancel cos, one cos left. Now see, both are equal or not? Here left hand side cos theta into sin theta. Here right hand side sin theta into cos theta. Both are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. In this way, the sixth part question of this exercise completed of number 5. Try to practice more sum. Redo all these sums. Thank you for today's class. Next we will do more sums.